Welcome to LuluMelon, where we sing and play all day. Hooray! It's time to learn colors.
Red paint splash, dancing with a swish and a dash. Red like apples, bright and sweet. Come on everybody, tap your feet. Splash, splash, colors everywhere, flying high up in the air. Paint and colors bright and strong. Let's all sing the color song. Blue paint splash, making waves with a happy splash. Blue like oceans, blue like skies, sparkling brightly before our eyes. Yellow paint splash, shining like sunshine in a flash. Yellow like lemons, yellow like light, making the whole world warm and bright. Splash, splash, colors everywhere, flying high up in the air. Paint and colors bright and strong. Let's all sing the color song. Green paint splash, growing in gardens in a flash. Green like leaves and grassy ground, the happiest color all around. Purple paint splash, twirling around in a magical dash. Purple like grapes and butterflies too, a lovely color just for you. Orange paint splash, bouncing around with a pumpkin flash. Orange like carrots and sunsets bright, glowing softly in the night. Red and yellow make orange bright, blue and yellow make green just right. Pink paint splash, spinning around in a candy dash. Pink like flowers blooming all day, smiling and dancing along the way. Splash, splash, colors everywhere, flying high up in the air. Red, blue, yellow, green, so bright, learning colors is pure delight.
Join us again for LuluMelon, kids stories and rhymes. Goodbye!